इवनिंग क्लास में
क्या प्लीज मुजफ्फर बोलो.
इवनिंग क्लास भी है ना सर?
Yeah. Let's take a problem on ESOPs.
Yes.
Sorry, problem on EPS.
EPS.
EPS पे problems ले लेंगे कम. The problems we are solving from ICA material only, right?
Yes sir.
Come to illustration number 1. Shall I?
Yes sir.
Illustration number 1. Please, everyone come. Problematic part. Yeah. Yeah, please. Illustration on 1st January, the balance at the beginning of the year. Careful. January है तो इनका beginning. 1800 क्या परचेज है? 1800 शेयर परचेज करते. क्या परचेज भाई? सर हेडिंग ही गलत है. ऐसे के क्वेश्चन ऐसे रहते सर. क्या ओपनिंग बैलेंस है सर वो?
Yes sir. Opening balance.
ఏం పర్చేజ్ లో ఇష్యూడ్ రావాలిరా బాబు. ఇష్యూడ్ and here buyback, and there is nothing opening here. Opening is automatically 1800 shares are there. On 31st of May, careful, year end hai ye. Issue of shares for cash 600. Okay, so May matlab these shares are there for 7 months. On
Yes,
1st
sir.
November you bought back 300 shares. Very easy. Can we do?
Yes sir.
Therefore variance is equal to, एक सेकंड में हो जाता है ऐसे सब चिल्लर सम. Variance is equal to 1800 shares are there for all 12 months.
Yes sir.
Plus 600 shares are there from May end onwards.
Yes sir.
June, July, 7 months.
600. Yes sir.
7 ध्यान से मुजफ्फर.
हाँ सर.
वो होना बल्कि मंथ एंड डेट से तो आप लोगों को कंफ्यूज
Yes
करने
sir.
के लिए.
Yes sir.
Minus 300 shares are not there for 2 months. Minus 300 shares are not there for 2 months.
Yes sir.
So that is equal to how much, boss? 1800 into 12 by 12, 600 into 7 by 12, 300. हाँ कितना बोलो ना please.
2100.
2100 should be the number of equity shares.
Yes sir.
The number of equity shares should be 2100. Done?
Yes sir.
Second question shall I go?
Yes sir.
एकदम बेकार समय. Come to illustration number 2. Illustration number 2. Shall I?
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
Please have a look at the question. On 1st January, balance at the beginning of the year, we have 1800 shares of face value 10, paid up value 10. On 31st of October, अब जानते year beginning January है.
Yes sir.
मेरे को नहीं पता ये लोग कहाँ से सब कॉपी करते कि पूरा इंडिया अप्रैल टू मार्च फॉलो करता है. बीइंग इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंडिया, दिस पीपल का जनवरी स्टार्ट होता है ईयर. देखे तो प्राइमरी अकाउंटिंग बॉडी है ICA. थोड़ा तो सेंस रहना सर. इट शुड बी अप्रैल ना, ईयर बिगिनिंग.
Yes sir.
क्या है? On 31st of October, they have issued shares, 600 shares of 10 rupees each, but only 5 rupees paid up. Partly paid up का concept भी है, time value भी है. Shall we?
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
Therefore, variance is equal to 1800 into 10 by 10 into 12 by 12 plus 600 into 5 by 10 into November, December, 2 by 12. Okay na sir?
Yes sir.
Yes. Tell me the answer.
1950.
1950 equity shares. Those shares are there only for 2 months, and the two only 5 rupees paid up.
Yes sir.
So these are equal to 1950 equity shares. 1850 आ रहा ना रे?
15 sir.
करो फिर से कैलकुलेशन चेक करो. 600 into 5 by 10 into 2 by 12.
600 into 5 by 12. 5 by 10 ना सर?
तो करेक्ट ना मेरे भाई?
300. 6/12 है सर वो अक्टूबर।
तू ले ले, इसलिए बोल रहा जनवरी है मेरे भाई, ध्यान से, जनवरी।
नहीं पेड अप
కాదురా వాడు
नहीं
అక్టోబర్
बराबर बराबर
వాడు అక్టోబర్ నుంచి మార్చ్ వరకు లెక్క
ओके
పెట్టుకుంటున్నాడు.
ओके 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 सर 2/12
अभी तो इतनी बार बोल रहा हूँ कि एग्जाम में ध्यान से बोल के.
यस 1850 यस सर
हाँ वो ध्यान से, अपना माइंड अप्रैल टू मार्च काम कर रहा है, वो सम जनवरी टू दिसंबर दिया.
यस सर
क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 बोनस शैल वी.
यस सर
बोनस है, स्टॉक स्प्लिट है, क्या है देखेंगे. वी नो सो मेनी प्रॉब्लम्स यू हैव डन ऑन दिस. Come to question number 3. Net profit for the year 2011. 1 समझ लेंगे 18 lakhs. Net profit for the year 2012 60 lakhs. Number of equity shares outstanding until 30th September 2012 20 lakhs. Bonus issue. Bonus का date not required. ये bonus
yes,
का
sir.
date है ना, वो नहीं
yes
चाहिए.
sir
Because bonus में we don't get consideration ना.
yes sir
So bonus issue was 2 equity shares for each equity share outstanding on this date. Leave it. See, one thing is very clear, boss. Bonus mein there is no consideration.
yes sir
Calculate BEPS. Shall we?
yes sir
Solution. Last year earnings per share, that is 18 lakhs divided by 20 lakhs.
20 lakhs
990.
0.9 yes sir
Current year EPS
60 lakhs
60 lakhs divided by
20 lakh
20
plus
lakhs plus 40 lakhs bonus. 2 equity share for each equity share outstanding. एक शेयर के लिए 2 शेयर.
yes yes sir
ఒక షేర్ కోసం 2 షేర్లు కదా. సో 20 lakhs के लिए 40 lakhs.
one
Answer is 1 rupee per share. But you have to
Yes,
compute
sir.
last year EPS also.
yes revised
Restated EPS of last year 18 lakhs divided by 20 lakhs plus 40 lakhs. How much? बहुत गिर जाएगा ये.
0.3
0.3
3
rupees per share.
Hmm.
Therefore,
Present.
you'll do presentation like this: current year EPS, last year EPS. BEPS is equal to 1 rupee and 0.3 rupees.
3
rupees restated. Clear?
Yes sir
ये all this type of chiller sums we have done.
yes sir
Many people have solved more than 20 problems in our notes itself.
yes sir
yes sir
Rights issue sum already taken care.
yes
You
sir
want me to do rights issue again?
no sir
करूं?
no
You're okay ना? చేయమని చేస్తాను.
once we lose sir
No, sir.
అన్ని నాతోనే చేయించుకోండి, మీరు ఏం చేయకండి బాబు. ఏం సాయి?
sir అంటే
అన్ని నాతో చేయించుకోండి. ఎగ్జామ్ లో కూడా నన్ను కూర్చోబెట్టండి, సార్ వచ్చి రాసుకుంటాను. I have given this some homework. Logically you should do. ఏంటి బాబు? So net profit for the year 2011 11 lakhs. Net profit for the current year 15 lakhs. Number of shares before rights issue 5 lakhs. Rights issue price 15. Last date of excise. Last date of excise is 1st of March. Careful,
Yes, sir.
1st of March ante 2 months and 10 months.
10 months yes sir
Careful, 2 months and 10 months. See, whenever they give the year and they don't give like this 12 बोल के, indirectly is December बोल के. अगर 11-12 बोल के नहीं देता है ना, तो indirectly the accounting year is January to December. Always remember that.
okay
yes sir
Rights issue is 1 new share for 5 shares outstanding. For every 5 shares, you will get 1 share.
1 share
yes sir
What is the market value of share before rights issue? 20.
20
21 का share 15 में दे रहा.
yes sir
21 का शेयर 15 में दे रहा, but if you have 5 shares you will get 1 share.
1 share.
Yes, sir.
Okay, computer earnings per share will do. First, a last year's EPS, that is 2011. 11 lakhs divided by 5 lakhs. Do you
5
agree?
lakhs. 2.2 per share.
2 rupees 20 paisa per share.
Yes.
Agreed?
Yes.
Current year EPS. Current year EPS में बहुत ड्रामा है, आराम से. First, theoretical market value per share after rights issue. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
मैं तो क्या करता हूँ जनरली, 5 shares into 21
20.
plus 1 shares into 15 by 6 करो, पर ऐसे वैसा नहीं करता, वो पूरे के लिए करता.
Market
We
value.
will also do like this. 5 lakhs का value is 21 plus 1 lakh shares are valued at 15 divided by 6 lakh shares.
Yes, sir.
बोलो. 21 into 5.
10 lakh 50.
105 plus 15.
Ah,
120 by 6. 20 rupees.
Yes, sir.
Check कर लो.
Yes, sir. Correct, sir.
Yes, sir.
So your 21 rupees share is becoming 20.
Yes.
If this share is equal to 1, 21 rupees share is more than 1.
Yes, sir.
That is called adjustment factor. Remember?
Yes, sir.
Adjustment factor is 21 by 20. If 20 rupees is equal to 1 share, then 21 is equal to how many shares? That's the simple logic.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
कितना? 1 point?
1.05.
Exactly, yeah.
Yes.
sir.
1.05 is मतलब 1 share is not just 1, it is equal to 1.05.
1.05.
Therefore, current year EPS would be, no hurry. How much the profit? 15 lakhs divided by, shall I?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
15 lakh shares into 1.05 into 2 by 12. Why 2 by 12? January, February, that's it.
Yes, sir.
Because in March, from March onwards, we have a rights issue also.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Plus 20 lakhs. Not 20. Galat na?
Fine.
How many shares, boss? For 5 share, 1 share na?
Yes, sir.
तो मैं तो गलत ही लिख दिया ना यहाँ पे. It should be 5 lakh shares. वही मेरा कैलकुलेशन नहीं बैठ रहा. 5 lakhs into 1.05 na, boss.
Yes, sir.
5 lakhs into 1.05 into 2 by 12 plus 6 lakhs into 1 into 10 by 12. Can anyone please solve?
Two point double five.
2.55.
Yes.
Correct है, लिख लूं.
Yes, sir.
2 rupees 55 paisa per share. This is your current year's EPS. Last year EPS you need to restate. Last year EPS restated. Last year EPS कितना था सर? 11 divided by 5 ना?
Yes, sir.
11 lakhs divided by 5 lakhs into 1.05 you do. Because 1 share is not just 1, it is equal to 1.05. How much?
2.09. 2.009.
2.09 per share. Therefore, your current year EPS for the year 2012 is 2.55, and your last year EPS restated for comparative purposes is 2.09.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, logically this is wrong, sir. I'll tell you why.
Hmm.
Last year company may not have the same value ना.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ये तो ICA वाले पागल नहीं बोलना. सर करंट ईयर का कंपनी का वैल्यूएशन लास्ट ईयर का कंपनी का वैल्यूएशन सेम था क्या?
No, sir.
मतलब पूरे 2 साल में कंपनी कुछ भी नहीं परफॉर्म की क्या? అందుకే we use a word called theoretical.
Hmm.
Yes,
This
sir.
is not practical. मतलब हम लोग जो
Yes.
पढ़ रहे हैं it's good for nothing. It's only good for disclosures. प्रैक्टिकल लाइफ में अगर आप अभी वो करोगे क्या बोलते हैं CFA, AFA, these all concepts are you have to wash out from your brain because these are all wrong notions.
Yes, sir.
क्या लास्ट ईयर भी 1 शेयर वाज इक्वल टू 1.05 क्या कुछ तो भी वो ऐसे का तो भी टीचिंग अदरवाइज रॉन्ग है सबको पता है एवरीवन नोस इवन LKG
sir.
स्टूडेंट विल टेल ये तो कुछ गड़बड़ है
अब
दया बोलते
Hmm.
कम ऑन सर shall we this is 2.5 done.
Yes, sir.
इनका तो यहाँ पे बेप्स हो गया सर पूरा खत्म 4 सम्स में खत्म हो गया बेप्स
अपनी बढ़ के कर दिया सर एग्जांपल्स में.
they started depths from here. Okay, let's take depths. Shall we
Yes, sir.
come to depths? Next question, depths के ऊपर. See, you remember whenever in exam they will ask you depths, first you have to compute depths only.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Dilution ఉందా లేదా తెలియాలంటే current level of EPS ఎంత common sense.
Yes, yes, sir.
Without
Yes, sir.
computing BEPS, you cannot compute depths. Don't do like your ICI. आपके ICI ने depths हो तो depths compute करके छोड़ दिया वो dilution है नहीं उसको कोई मतलब नहीं है solution में.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. सर
Dilution
उसमें क्वेश्चन में
తగ్గాలి present level तो తగ్గాలి కదా. Careful.
वो लोग वो भी दिए सर वेब्स भी दिए क्वेश्चन में.
ये क्या?
हाँ सर.
Basic items for sure.
क्या है सेट तो हो रहा नहीं है. चलो बस विल गो. तो नेट प्रॉफिट फॉर द ईयर कितना 1 करोड़ है. वही 100 lakhs. नंबर ऑफ इक्विटी शेयर्स 50 lakhs. बेसिक अर्निंग्स पर शेयर 2. ओके दे दिया 2 rupees. Number of 12% convertible debentures of 100 rupees each 1 lakh. Each debenture is converted into 10 equity shares. Interest expense for the whole year is 12 lakhs. 12 lakhs कैसे होगा इनको? हाँ 1 lakh into 100 into 12%. Okay per annum है ये ना?
Yes sir.
You always check it. Is it per annum or not?
Yes sir.
Tax related to interest expense 30%. Easy है 2 मिनट में कर सकते. Given BEPS is equal to 2 rupees. Do you agree?
Yes sir.
Therefore, diluted earnings per share would be आराम से. Hamza earnings 100 lakhs
100
plus
lakhs.
Savings in interest
12 lakhs
12
minus
lakhs
30%.
minus 3.6.
30%.
Sir. 8,40,000.
8
lakh 40,000.
divided
Yes
by
sir.
number of equity shares now is how much? 50 lakhs plus number of shares should be issued 10 lakhs. Because for every 1 debenture 10 equity shares na.
Yes sir.
Yes
For
sir.
1 lakh debentures 10 lakh equity shares.
0.34.
मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन की तरह कर रहे हैं.
100 lakhs.
that is equal to 108.4 divided by 60.
60 lakhs. 180.66.
1.80.
1.80.
1.80.
It's okay. 1.806 per share.
Yes, sir.
Dilution हो रहा है guarantee. आपके एग्जाम में this is
Yes,
5
sir.
marks question.
Okay.
ఎగ్జామ్ లో ఇస్తే బాబు మొత్తం నీట్ గా ఫార్ములాస్ రాసి అన్ని చూపించండి బాస్.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
एग्जाम में if you do this way they'll give you 1 mark.
Yes, sir.
हम लोग concept सीख लिए ना sir, we are just understanding how good is our concept, that's it.
Yes, sir.
In exam you have to do proper presentation.
Yes, sir.
See, if you
Yes,
want
sir.
you want a good scoring, you have to impress ICI, and ICI will get impressed only when you present in that format.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So they want this much drama in the sum, you do.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
ESOPs. Come boss, illustration number 6, ESOPs. Shall we?
Yes, sir. Anti-dilutive.
ये कॉपी नहीं हुआ लगता है ना? वाह. Come to illustration number 6. Can we, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Net
sir.
profit for the year 2011 అంటే April to December नहीं है, January to December है ये. 12 lakhs. Weighted average number of equity shares 5 lakhs. Fair value per share 20 rupees. Weighted average number of shares under ESOP 1 lakh. Excise price 15 if you observe. Sir, for 20 rupees if they are paying 15 rupees, 75% they are paying if you observe.
100% diluted. Yes, sir.
अरे
Yes,
20 रुपए का 15 रुपए पे कर रहा है,
sir.
तो 75% payment they are doing.
Yes,
Indirectly
sir.
25% is free.
Dilution. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very easy. ऐसे कर लेंगे हम लोग. Therefore BEPS is equal to 12 lakhs divided by 5 lakhs. So how much, sir? Some 2.4.
2.4. Yes, sir.
2.4 per share. Diluted earnings per share would be 12 lakhs divided by 5 lakhs plus 1 lakh into 25%. Sir, exam में proper presentation करना please.
Yes, sir.
Because I have covered in the standard, I am not explaining again.
2.28, sir.
This is 2.28 per share. Indirectly 75% is free portion.
Yes, sir.
20 रुपए के लिए अगर 15 रुपए पे कर रहे हैं, 75% consideration they are paying.
Yes, sir.
Indirectly 25% is free, and only 25% will do dilution.
Yes, sir.
బాబు కావ్య చేస్తున్నావా?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
चलो बस next.
Finished.
हो गया चैप्टर. क्या लोग प्रॉब्लम सब लास्ट में दिए क्या?
Questions देते ना sir, practical.
They are given at last क्या? So we could have taken other standard also, na, in that case. Like
नहीं
related
sir,
party.
एक वो क्वेश्चन हाँ ठीक है सर, वैसे ही करते. वो लोग पूरा प्रैक्टिकल क्वेश्चंस बना के देते ना सर, पूरे इंक्लूडेड रहते हैं.
All
They are
together.
giving at last these days.
Yes, sir. Done with the standard.
No, 1 minute. नहीं समझ में आया. This application of accounting standard is a separate part in the standard. नहीं, पहले क्या होता था, हम लोग ओल्ड सिलेबस में स्टैंडर्ड होते ही सम्स.
Okay.
अभी ये लोग क्या कर रहे हैं बोलते हो, they are giving all the sums at last.
Yes, sir. Search पे कर लो सर आप, AS20 मार दो जितना आए.
Got the idea. Maybe थोड़ा मटेरियल चेंज किया लगता है ना.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है.
Once they are explaining all the standards, then they are giving the problems.
मतलब indirectly, if I read all the standards, then I
Yes.
should be able to attempt the last part of this book.
Yes, yes, sir. Very important part also.
पूरा स्टैंडर्ड पूरा ये बुकलेट इंपॉर्टेंट है because almost like 22 to 25 marks is from these pages.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Indirectly 1/4 of your syllabus है, and this is one of the way to impress the examiner कि भाई मुझे स्टैंडर्ड्स आते हैं. हाँ. तो ठीक है, let's see if any questions are there.
Yes, sir.
Rights issue, I have taken this yesterday.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Question number 2 already solved ना?
Yes, sir.
और कुछ है क्या इसके ऊपर? Let's see any more sums on this. No. ऐसे एक बार आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं सर, सम्स किसके ऊपर है? If I am not wrong, question number 1 is on what? I think question number 1 is on revenue recognition. No क्या?
AS4, sir. AS4.
Okay, this is on AS4.
Yes.
एग्जाम में कभी-कभी तो क्वेश्चन आइडेंटिफाई करना भी इम्पोर्टेंट है ना?
Yes, sir.
कॉस्टिंग में होता है सर ये तो.
हाँ होता कभी-कभी. This is on AS20. We have taken care yesterday.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ये किसके ऊपर है सर? Find out the amortization cost of the patent. AS26.
A26.
Intangible assets.
Intangible assets. Yes, sir.
Leases.
AS19. 19.
18. A19.
ये क्या है सर? What question it is? Due to prevailing market condition, the company manufacturer want to defer the expenditure. I think.
अरे ये AS18 sir.
No. A18 कहाँ से आ गया? AS26. Research. Wrong standard, wrong. अरे कंपनी R&D पे कुछ खर्चा किया. And now they want to tell they don't want to continue. Write off entire expenditure. You have to write off.
Yes, sir.
This is on AS18. Hello.
AS18 ये तो दिया हुआ.
करो आप लोग करो.
हाँ sir.
This is related party transaction. AS18. We could have taken in AS18 chapter. It's okay. Construction contracts. AS7. But very important sum. Easy. Don't worry. You have to be very careful when you do this treatment. When I was a student, I was doing this sum. You are also doing the same sum. जब मैं स्टूडेंट था तब ये सम था ICAI की बुक में, अभी भी वही सम है. होना है तो 15 साल पुरानी बुक देख लो आप लोग, सेम सम है. This is what AS9. Unamortized expenditure क्या है रही है? This is deferred tax. We will do today. Accounting standard 22. Deferred tax is a deferred tax liability. ये तो दिया ही है. AS18 related party disclosures.
Yes, sir.
A7.
This is what? This is AS7. You're right, madam. Construction contracts. EPS.
A20.
कुछ है क्या देखो? On 1st April 2011, the company has 6 lakhs equity shares of 10 rupees each. 5 rupees paid up by all shareholders. Or partly paid up. ध्यान से.
Partly paid up.
On 1st September 2011, the remaining 5 rupees was called and paid by all shareholders except one shareholder having 60,000 shares. Routine है ये.
Yes, sir.
Chase coach kada.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
it's
sir.
6 lakh shares into 5 by 10 into
5
12 by
by
12.
10. Yeah, yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Plus
6 lakhs into 5 by 10
into 12 by
12 by 12 plus
12.
60,000 shares are remaining partly paid up property. This should be 5 lakh 40.
40,000.
5
Yes,
lakh
sir.
40 into 5 by 10 into. When did you make a call? 1st September, 7 by 12.
7 months, 7 by 12.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
So this is Wayne's working. This is Wayne's working. Net profit is given.
21 lakh.
Net profit is given after dividend only.
Yes, sir.
After preference dividend only they have given. So 21 lakh 96,000 divided by Wayne's should become your EPS.
Yes, sir.
कर लेना, easy है. Chase already.
sir.
ये तो AS4 पे है. It's very clear problem. Leases 19. I have also covered a lot of problems in the theory video part. AS90 की वीडियो में मैंने अच्छे खासे sums cover किए हैं from leases.
Yes.
Even if you go through, first go through my video, then you can solve these sums if you want extra.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Accounting standard 29, provisions contingencies. ये क्या है, कोडिंग वोडिंग है तो कंपलसरी AS26 ही रहेगा. ये कंपलसरी AS26 इंपॉर्टेंट है. ये सम AS26 इंपॉर्टेंट है.
Yes, sir.
That's it.
Yes, sir.
That's it, sir. I hope we can close our class in that case.
Yes, sir.
Meet you in the evening on accounting standard 22.
Yes, sir.
Am I clear?
Sir, buyback concept.
Buyback.